Welcome to this exciting world of RFID for retail. I'm Soji from Cleverance, and in this video we're going to explore the exciting potential of this wireless identification technology. But first, let's take a moment to understand what RFID is and how it is used. RFID allows businesses to track and manage inventory, and you may have used RFID when paying with a card or riding in the metro. Now, some people say that RFID can bring huge benefits to businesses, so let's take a closer look. Different RFID standards are incompatible, so it's good to know the strengths and weaknesses of each. For example, RFID systems used to count cattle operate at low frequencies and cannot read access cards, which are high frequencies, and access card readers cannot read clothing tags. In this video, we're going to focus on GEN2 RFID, also known as UHF or RAIN RFID. GEN2 operates at ultra-high frequencies, allowing it to count hundreds of tags at once at a distance of several feet. However, this same frequency also prevents it from penetrating water or metal, making it difficult to read groceries, equipment, or people at speed. As a result, GEN2 is used for speed counting at textile products, in footwear, while it's used mostly for robust identification in spare parts and equipment. GEN2 uses several techniques such as wireless charging, walkie-talkie communication, and GS1 barcode data to uniquely identify the objects of interest. Most RFID tags are simply chips with an antenna and a tiny battery, so the reader first wirelessly charges the tags in a split second. The battery lasts for a minute or less, so the reader then starts talking to the tags using walkie-talkie communication. Each tag tells the reader the ID of the object it is attached to, and the whole process takes just 1/10 of a second. Now, you may be starting to see the potential and limitations of GEN2 RFID. First, you have to be within a reasonable range to charge the tag, several feet rather than hundreds of feet. Second, the reader and each tag must communicate separately without clogging the airwaves, so too many tags can cause problems. And third, because it's a walkie-talkie, it has no visual sign, so you never know where the tag really is. It can be 10 feet away, around the corner, or right behind you. But on the other hand, you can talk to hundreds of tags at once, and they will all report you back one by one in just 1/10 of a second. That's why there are literally billions of items tagged with GEN2 tags all around us. Thanks for joining.